Hi everyone and welcome once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Pearson MyLab IT directly from Blackboard. So there's several different ways to access the information. My advice is to go to course materials, which by the way is where all of the materials that you need week by week are going to be located. So I'm going to go here and you can see that you have the 2 weeks of assessments already available. But in order to complete those, you'll need to actually join MyLab first. So there are instructions here, and I'm going to refer to them a little bit, but also kind of show you what happens. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just click on the link to MyLab and Mastering Course Home. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you exactly what happens visually aside from the PDF because I have already gone through the process, but click the link first. And then what you're going to see is if you've never joined a Pearson class before, you're going to have to accept the end user license agreement. So go ahead and do that. Then if you already have a Pearson account through another class, you can go ahead and use your username and password. If not, you will need to sign up for a Pearson account. It is free, and you will need to do that in order to configure this. Go ahead and fill out the information requested in order to create the account. Once you have a Pearson account, it will give you the two options. So if you went through the bookstore, this is where you'll put your access code. Otherwise, and this is again the option I kind of recommended, click the button to purchase the materials for this course, which includes the 2 e-texts here. So this is going to be a little less expensive than the bookstore, but you will definitely need access to this resource. You can get free basically for 14 days, but after that point you will get locked out and you will be required to make that purchase. So you'll have to provide the information needed in order to make the purchase for access to the lab. Once you get your access code after purchase, you'll be able to type it in here and hit finish in order to make sure you get your materials. So that is the process. If for some reason you run into problems, please let me know.